How to add high school information on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add high school information on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this one, these three lines here, and then go down and click settings and privacy, and now click settings, and then just go down until you find this one, profile information, and then click this one, add high school, and then just type the name of your high school, and then just click save, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.